Porting out of Assurance Wireless means transferring your phone number to a new carrier. As of October 2025, the process involves digital verification through the Assurance Wireless app or website. You'll need your Assurance Wireless account number, found on your bill or app, and your PIN, which you can reset via the app if forgotten. The new carrier initiates the port, but Assurance Wireless must verify your Lifeline eligibility. Approvals usually take 1 to 2 business days, after which your Assurance Wireless service ends. Remember, Lifeline benefits aren't transferable. First, gather your Assurance Wireless account number and PIN. These are essential for verification and can be found on your monthly bill or within the Assurance Wireless app. Next, contact your new carrier, such as Verizon or T-Mobile, and provide your account number and PIN. They will initiate the porting request on your behalf. Assurance Wireless will then verify your Lifeline eligibility. This ensures you meet the income requirements for continued service benefits. Once approved, the number porting process typically completes within 1 to 2 business days. Your new carrier will notify you when it's done. Important considerations. Ensure you have no outstanding balances, as these can block the porting process. Digital first porting is now standard, so use the Assurance Wireless app for the smoothest experience. Be aware of potential porting fees between $5 and $10, and note that Lifeline benefits are not transferable. Success rates are high when using correct information and digital tools. If any issues occur, contact your carrier's support team.